Hi, welcome to my channel Spice It Up. Today we're going to make lamb chops. It takes about 40 minutes to cook, so let's get cooking. Now the onions, garlic and ginger are brown, so let's just put some tomato puree, mix it up together. While the gas is off, we can add in the spices. 2 spoons of chili, 1 spoon of ginger, 2 spoons of fennel, 1 spoon of cumin powder, 1 spoon of coriander. This is the spice box with all your spices in. So now we've put the gas back on. So that the spices don't burn, I'm just going to put a little bit of water. Now we're going to add in half a pint of chopped tomatoes. And then just let it fry a little bit in its juices. We can now add in the chops, a little salt. And we need to add in about 16 ounces of water because it will need boiling for a little while and then we leave it on to simmer. Just add in some more water so that the meat becomes soft. It will boil away until the sauce is thick. We're just going to put a spoon of garam masala and it's ready to serve. It's lovely with rice.